No, grown-ups.
Oh, I know.
Wait, is that the one, like, with the people in the cabin?
Yeah.
Yeah. Daddy, you killed it! The bird.
And then, I don't want to get wasted. No.
I want to get chocolate wasted! Gay.
You just call a video gay.
No.
Oh, but punch his face.
My hands look really big. Look at that.
Stop! Stop! Jesus Christ! That's all you see on my fucking ceiling.
And roar.
Stop it.
Wait. No, wait, I gotta do it like this.
Oh my god.
Oh no, it's coming to get us! Oh, I'm dead. Crunch. Flick! Oh, I just broke your hot cocoa. Hold this. I got text message.
You have some serious problems. Like worse than Timmy.
Fuck you.
Fuck you too.
You would.
I totally would.
Wait.
Don't do it. Don't.
Don't move.
This is gonna fail.
I know, but it's gonna land on you and not me, so it'll be okay.
So I told you, damn it.
Wait, that was my hot cocoa.
I know. Oh my god.
Wait, where's my
It's right there.
I told you not to move.
Oh my god.
See what happens when you don't listen to me.
What?
I told you not to move.
Bullshit.
I said so. Wait, look. Wait.
Look at my bed.
Can they see it?
Yeah.
Go that. And
Oh
then
my
all
god,
that.
Sam. Move.
Most people would be mad right now.
I'm not mad.
I know,
think it's
that's
funny.
the funny part. So most people would be like, oh, smack.
I'm
And
like,
you're
get the fuck out of my
And
room.
you're just like, oh my god, look what you did. No, you did. Wait, where's the cup? Found my spoon.
It's all of my pillow.
You can have that one.
fucking hoe.
You can
You
have.
fucking hoe.
You can have that pillow.
Fuck you.
So maybe
Fucking
later.
Everywhere.
Dude, not right now. We're on video.
I don't care.
No, you said fuck you. Get it?
Yeah, I get it.
On video? I gotta pee.
That's nice.
What do you say?
He says really, and it didn't show up.
Bull,
What? We just fucking watched it.
Hold on.
Oh my fucking god, Sam.
I love you.
No. I love you too. Oh my god. You fucking hoe. This is what we do every time she's here. Son of a bitch.
Are you still recording?
Yeah,
What?
take it.
Were you
I had
just,
to clean up your mess.
were you just recording the pirates the whole
No.
time?
No.
Okay.
I was walking around complaining.
I apologize.
No, you don't.
How do you? Fine. Fuck you.
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 Play with my fucking ninjas. I have to clean up your mess and hide this from my fucking grandma. I have to hide this from my grandmother.
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 She's not grandma anymore. She's grandmother. Okay, guys, I got a purple ninja
So much trouble.
and a green ninja.
I have more somewhere. I think I have 2 more.
I have a purple ninja and I have a green ninja. Okay, the green ninja, the name is Filbert. The purple ninja's name is Petunia. Okay, let me. Ah! iPad's falling! Okay, they're prettier in person. Wahoo! Okay, ready? I told you, do not step on territory again. My territory.
Here's more.
Ah! Okay, now there's a blue ninja. Oh, iPad fell. A blue ninja. An orange ninja. Is this orange or pink? What is this?
That's pink.
Oh, iPad fell. A pink ninja.
This is gonna take
iPad
forever
fell.
to dry. We are not sleeping in my bed tonight. And
Okay.
I hot cocoa for you.
Then what did you say? We have to hawk a loogie for you?
I said no more hot cocoa for you.
What? That's not cool, bro.
You spilled it all over me.
No, you spilled it all over me.
No.
I told you not to move because the hot cocoa was on your head. Look who didn't listen. You moved and now the hot cocoa's not on your head anymore. It's on the floor and the bed and everywhere else.
It all over me.
Look at my sexy pants.
They're mine.
Not anymore.
No.
Yes.
They're mine.
No.
I'll punch you in the fucking face. Like you punched me that one day.
Accidents happen. Okay. Oh wait, hold on.
Yes, I have Johnny Depp posters in my room.
Yeah, I don't get it. Okay. Now, green ninja and purple ninja. I told you, you do not step on my territory. Bitch, please. Oh, you call me names? You call me names? You go step up in my place and call me names. How you gonna tell me? How you gonna do that? Oh, you wanna go with me like that? Oh, hell no. It's doing a little head bob thing, but you know, I can't really move its head, so it's like, anyhow. Oh. Do. Doing some ninja flips. It's like, quah, 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 cha!
Wow.
Bang, 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 bang! Grrr. Wanna go?
Smell it. Smell it.
No!
Smell my bed.
I think I'll be good.
Smell my fucking bed because it's your fault.
This one has the stars, and this one has a box. And this one has a heart, and this one has a rainy cloud. Oh, this one's sad. I'll smell your bed. Dude, your bed smells delicious.
No. Are you sleeping in tonight?
Yeah? I mean, no. I mean, what am I? Yeah? I sleep toward the wall. That's your part of the bed.
I know.
Dude, I always sleep near the wall.
I
You're
know
fucked.
you do.
You are Fucke with a capital D.
Let's see if you can do it.
No!
Exactly.
Is there any more?
Yeah. there's
Yes!
more.
Okay. Pah! Ka-cha! Wah! Hee-haw! Wah! Twing!
I'm about to say.
Wah-cha!
Wow.
Wah!
You're getting in trouble with my grandparents.
Pew! How?
We're being really loud, like always.
Okay, these are different ninjas. I just kind of like skipped the beginning part where they're like, wah wah, hoo, ha ha. Don't ask. Okay. This ninja is pink and has a heart on the back of its head. Do you see it? Yeah, you can kind of see it. Okay. This one is blue and depressed. It's got like a little storm cloud on the back of its head. And then this ninja just got its ass kicked by a girl. And it's got a circle with a box, and I don't know what the hell that's supposed to be, but, you know, it's there. And then this one is a freaking ninja and just kicked another ninja's ass. And it's purple. Even better. It's got like a half a sun with some stars on the back. See it? Do you see it? I see it. Okay. It just
my iPad.
bounced off.
I know.
It'd be better if there was more in it, but so